Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking about Easel's feed rate override feature. Essentially, this allows us to adjust the rate during a carve to be a little more specific if we see an issue or if there's something happening, we can adjust that feed rate to kind of compensate for that issue. A good example would be when you're carving, what you're looking for is chips or kind of smaller pieces of material that are being kind of cut out as the bit is rotating. If you're seeing something like dust, it means that your bit is moving too slowly and you want to increase that feed rate slightly to get that chipping back. And so we're going to kind of visualize what that looks like here. I'm going to start by starting my carve. When I do that, I have to unlock my machine really quick. So I'm going to go ahead and start my carve. I'll confirm my material thickness, confirm it's secure, confirm my bit, set it manually, new position, raise the bit, start my carve. And so now I have a couple of options up here next to the carve. There's the feed rate override, which is here. I can reduce the feed rate or increase the feed rate by percentage. So each click brings it up 10%. And this allows me to adjust the feed rate. So if I'm saying, again, getting dust and I want to increase that feed rate to kind of bring those chips back, I can increase that. I can also adjust my spindle speed here. I wouldn't recommend doing that until you've had a clear look at the feeds and speeds uh, equations. Those should help kind of inform on what a good spindle speed is. But they're both adjustable right here. Specifically, though, this feed rate override allows you to adjust the feed rate for your carve while it's carving. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.